What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Osagie here. I know it has been a while, like a month since like November. I've not made a video. That's because I was going through some stuff and I decided to take a break from YouTube. But now I'm back and I'm going to be serving you videos back to back. And now in today's video, we're going to be reacting to the drop test between the Google Pixel 6 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's get into the video. The first thing we're going to be watching is the backdrop, obviously, because that's how.
Round number 1, backdrop. 3, 2, 1. After that backdrop, it's not a bad result for either phone. The iPhone looks so much better than it.
So you can see with the backdrop, the two phones have survived for now. Like there's no crack, nothing. So that's good at least.
Number 2, corner drop. 2, 1. And after that corner drop, the stainless steel frame on the iPhone, along with its more rounded corners, help it fare better here. There's only very light scuff mark.
And as we can see from the corner drop, the two phones are still surviving, but there are just some few scratches on the side from the stainless steels on the iPhone. And on the Pixel 6 you can see some things have gone wrong, but the phones still work. Moving on to the third one, and the third one is going to be the face drop, obviously. And most phones, when they do this face drop, they crack.
Clear win for the iPhone in round number 2. Round number 3, face drop. 3, 2, 1. And after that face drop from 1 meter, no, the iPhone's ceramic shield glass still cracks.
And as you can see, the face drop, the two phones are cracked, but looking at it, the iPhone looks slightly better because the Pixel has cracked at the corners, and you know it's a curved display. So these two phones this is very sad because like in Nigeria you are paying like 1.something million for the iPhone, and the Google Pixel you are paying like 700k. So get a case for your phones. That's just it. If you are paying that kind of money for these phones, don't allow them fall, because you'll be annoyed and you'll be angry at the end of the day. Let's keep on watching for the bonus round.
Tougher 1.5 meter drop. I was really hoping to see the iPhone 13 Pro Max actually losing a chunk of. Okay, with both.
So the bonus drop, they are going to drop them on
steel,
not concrete, steel 10 times.
Steel surface from higher up at just under 1.5 meters. In 3, 2, 1. And after that first bonus drop, the Pixel's curved edge gets.
So after the first drop, we can see that the Pixel has
pretty much the same as
damaged a lot more at the top corner, top right corner of the phone. So
we'll keep on going.
that's sad.
4 drops into it, and the original cracks on each phone are starting to spiderweb as you'd kind of expect. But both phones still remain.
So after 4 drops, the screens are still looking bad, but they are still working.
Alright, 7 drops in now, and we have a few dead pixels on the Pixel 6 Pro's display. But the good news is the rest of the screen still works just fine, so the test must go on. And after all 10 bonus drops, the Pixel's glass looks in really bad shape.
So after the 10th drop, I think we should all know that the Pixel is done for. Like looking at this phone, the Pixel has gone, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max is actually the winner of this drop test, because although the screen cracked, the damages on the phone are still minimal. So you can fix it, and obviously to fix this phone right now will be like 50k for the screen, to get an original screen at least. So don't let your phones fall, like protect your phones. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a video explaining the metaverse to you guys. For those of you that don't know about it, this is something Mark Zuckerberg is coming up for the future of the world. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.